Hey Mark, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. So, what are you up to this weekend?
Sam and I are going to a baseball game at the new stadium.
Wow, really? Have a great time.
Hey, Jennifer, you're planning to go to Steven's party this weekend, aren't you?
No, I really want to go, but I can't.
Oh, no. Why not?
I have to go out of town with my parents. We're going to visit my aunt in Chicago, and we're driving the whole way.
So, what are your plans this weekend, Angela?
Well, on Saturday, I'm going to the beach with some friends. How about you?
I'm going to the beach too. Maybe I'll see you there. Are you going to Baker Beach?
No, we're going to Stinson Beach.
Oh, well, maybe my friends won't mind changing plans.
So I'll see you later, John.
Yeah, I'll probably see you at the library tomorrow.
Really? But you usually play basketball on Saturdays, don't you?
Yeah, but we're not playing this Saturday.
Why not?
We always take a week off for final exams. I'm planning on studying all weekend.
Got any fun plans for the weekend?
I have to work most of the weekend, but I'm going out on Friday night.
Where are you going?
My friends and I are going to go out to dinner. We're going to try that new Mexican restaurant on Branch Street. I hear it's great.
What are you doing this week?
I don't have any plans for Saturday, but I'm going shopping on Sunday.
You're going to the mall, aren't you?
No, I'm gonna go downtown. I like the stores better there.
Do you want to play soccer this Saturday?
It's supposed to rain this weekend, isn't it?
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, then what do you want to do?
We could go to a movie. We could go see the new action movie.
You saw that movie last weekend, didn't you?
Yeah, but I'd like to see it again. But you don't like action movies, do you?
Not really.
We could go see that new comedy at Star Cinema.